Hello everybody, Hunter here for a brand new video. And in the past, I've tried to fix phones before. It hasn't gone so well. Let's just say these are some claimed victims. But this one is getting avenged today because today we are going to be fixing phones. So I had bought a iPhone 8 a while back and I kind of done goofed it up. I accidentally kind of like destroyed the digitizer, which just ended up leading to a lot of really bad things. So what I've decided to do is I am just getting a new iPhone 8 because essentially I fried the logic board on the original iPhone 8. So today I am avenging it and I am going to be fixing a new one. So we have this iPhone 8 right here. I bought it from someone off of eBay because you know how it is sometimes. But essentially, what they say the problem is that it doesn't turn on a lot of the times, and even when it does, it usually just goes to the recovery mode. So I'm thinking all we have to do here is to just put a new battery in it, because I'm thinking it could have a really bad battery in it, which I have like a completely fresh battery, because the old iPhone I bought pretty much had a fresh battery. The battery health was 97%, so it has a nice fresh battery in it. So, and then we're going to put it into recovery mode because it does not have Find My iPhone on, so all we have to do is just throw it into iTunes and hope it doesn't throw errors at us. So, I'm gonna go plug this in and see if it does anything, and I'll get back to you. Let's get going. Okay, after way too long for looking for one screwdriver later, I have finally found my right screwdriver. I always like lose where, because I have multiple pentalobe screwdrivers, but I always forget where my one for iPhones is, because they have like a smaller pentalobe bit. So it's a little annoying. Alright. It's so annoying because I can't find my metal spudger all of a sudden. So now I have to resort to my good old method of just, we're just gonna have to pull. We're gonna have to try to slide a pick. Got it. It's almost as if I've been in one of these things before. This is familiar. Not in a good way though. I don't like this feeling. I get the feeling as if I'm about to kill it again. Like I did last time. Let me tell you, last time scares me. I am like actually scared of what I did last time. Like I'm trying so hard to not completely kill this thing. But I'm gonna make sure to use a plastic spudger to pull up the battery connector. Alright, we got that part of the display out. I want to kind of test something here, because I want to see if the old board works by chance. So, now it's time to start the long, arduous process of trying to get an iPhone 8 battery out, in which I hate it. It sucks. If you guys don't know how it works, essentially, it's just like impossible, man. These things suck. And if you don't get it out on like the first try, you have to like do it manually. You have to like manually rip the battery out. Okay, now that we've finished this, if this doesn't work the first try, that's fine. I just gotta find other methods. But I got the battery out, and let me tell you, it was not fun. There were so many times where I thought I was like gonna break it. Cause like, it's not even the forbidden cheese anymore. It's the cheese of hatred. Cause sometimes I literally just want to die. We're gonna try turning it on with the new battery. Actually, I don't think this battery has any charge in it. I might want to charge it. Oh, let's go! We got a light out of it. It's giving us the battery charge sign. This is progress. Alright, we're not going to close this phone back up. I haven't even taken the adhesive off the other side yet. We're going to let it boot. We're going to see what it does. Because if we can get it to boot to home screen, this could be big. I will be back in a little bit. I'm just going to go, like, eat some food and I'll see what's on the phone.
One eternity later.
Alright. This is, like, the big reveal right now. We're going to set this one up manually. No, not that. So I'm going to probably reset this thing one more time just so I can actually put my Apple DI on it properly. We'll go dark mode because that's a real OG. And we're in. We're actually in. We're finally done. So I'm gonna get this thing put together. Cue the final time lapse. And we're done. Wait, that's a different tech YouTubers thing. Yeah, we did it. All I had to do was just replace the battery of the old phone. And we're all done. I'm gonna reset this, actually get it on, you know, like, my Apple ID and everything. I was honestly surprised to see that it wasn't actually Apple ID locked. And I'm actually gonna test this with my SIM card here in a minute to see if it's actually an unlocked phone. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy this video actually went well. I was really scared going into this video. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.